The feds, I'm letting y'all know, it's niggas that's selling dope, moving foul, that know how they finna get home already. So don't think you dealing with a real nigga. He already done been popped, and they finna draw this right here agreement up right here in the back seat. They finna fax it to the judge, everything right here in the back seat. You don't know. They done gave him that shit back. They done took pictures of everything. He come back to the spot. Y'all don't fucking know. Now he obligated to work.
Yep.
Man, we'll be to see you in a minute. So don't think you dealing with a real nigga. He already done been popped. I keep me a good nigga, the good nigga who give me some good prices, I ain't gonna tell on him. The nigga who give me the bad prices, I'm gonna fuck him up. One thing about the feds, it's gonna work every time. Ain't no use committing no crime unless you ready to tell something. The game ain't the same no more, and you gonna learn.